Hi guys, California Exotic Hardwoods, California Luthiers Supplies, showing you the best quality East Indian Rosewood Fingerboards blocks. Over here you can see the finest quality cornerstone fingerboards. Hope you can see it. You can zoom the grains right there. So we are going to cut fingerboard right now. So they come in different colors. Some of them are darker, some of them are lighter, different grains, different texture. Again, East Indian Rosewood is Dalbergia latifolia. Even though they are Dalbergia species, they come with different colors. Some of them look like a Brazilian rosewood color. Some of them look like a reddish color. Some of them darker in color. Some of them are lighter in color, like a Palisandra in color, like different colors. This is a natural colors of East Indian rosewood. Over here, he will show you how he going to mill the rosewood fingerboards, so you can see it. So you can see the best quality rosewood. We're going to mill them. We're going to demonstrate the quality, so you can see it. So these are going to mill right now. You can see the quality once we finish it. You can see over there the finest quality East Indian rosewood. They're going to mill. It's absolutely gorgeous pieces, fresh cut East Indian rosewood. So you can see the quality right now. It's about like a 10 millimeter and 9 millimeter thickness. Finest quality East Indian rosewood. So we're going to mill more rosewood. We'll demonstrate the quality. Every day we mill approximately 1,000 fingerboards. So quality is amazing. You can see right there the finest quality East Indian rosewood. These are like a Telecaster, 21 and 22 inches in length, like a 3 inches in wide, almost like a 10 millimeter thickness approximately. Finest quality rosewood. Quality, we always taken care. So if you're looking for rosewood, call us. California Exotic Hardwoods, California Luthiers Supplies. Thank you.